Before you start digging or rolling out turf, the very first step is to make a plan. A good plan saves you time, money, and headaches. First, think about the design of your space. Artificial turf comes in either 12-foot or 15-foot rolls, so measure carefully and decide how you'll lay them out and which width works best for you. Planning your layout ahead of time helps reduce seams and wasted material. Next, it's important to check for reflective windows nearby. Direct sunlight reflecting off certain types of windows can ultimately melt turf. If you've got windows facing your install area, let us know. We can recommend solutions to prevent damage. Think about how you'll use your turf. Thicker turf is ideal for kids' play areas as it provides a softer and more cushioned surface. For pets, we offer turf designed specifically for pet areas, featuring improved drainage for urine. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, we've got those too. Choosing the right turf makes all the difference in how it looks and performs. If you're not sure which turf is right for your project, don't worry. That's what we're here for. Reach out to us directly, and we'll help you figure out the best choice for your yard, your pets, or your play space. Get your turf plan in place, and you're ready for the next step, preparing the base.